Brought to you by JEGS.
An off-road icon and the originator and creator of the Fender Flare category, Bushwacker brings style, high-quality materials, and protection for your truck or Jeep. For that rugged off-road look, the Pocket-Style Flares deliver every time. They give your truck the look of bolted-on flares without all the hassle and no body-side sheet metal drilling required. They feature recessed stainless steel bolts to complement oversized tires and high-clearance lift kits and are ready to be mounted right out of the box. For even more protection, we now have trail armor for Jeeps and trucks. With a purpose-built design and incredibly tough construction, they'll protect your rig from anything the road may throw its way. When it comes to protection and style, Bushwacker has you covered.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.